So we already addressed our goal or our goals for this meeting, which is to understand the different losses in pre-stress that occur in a pre-stress concrete element, and we also applied the different losses in pre-stress when designing pre-stress concrete elements. So just to summarize our discussion for this meeting, we have seen the different categories of pre-stress losses, which are the immediate elastic losses, which compose of the elastic shortening, which has a different formula for pre-tension elements, which is equal to this, and a different formula for the computation of pre-stress loss for post-tension elements, depending if the jacking is simultaneous or if the jacking is sequential. So another immediate elastic loss that we have studied on this discussion is the friction loss, which has a formula equal to this. And the last immediate elastic loss that we have studied on this meeting is the anchorage seating, which has a formula equal to this. So you have to take note that this causes of pre-stress loss uh, are immediate elastic loss, and they are not dependent on time. So their magnitude do not differ with respect to time. So and actually their effect to the pre-stressing reinforcement is immediate. So the other category of pre-stress loss that we have studied on this meeting is the time-dependent losses. So first on the list for time-dependent losses is the steel relaxation, which has a formula for stress relief wires and strands equal to this, and for low relaxation wires and strands equal to this. And another time-dependent loss that we have studied is the creep, which has a formula equal to this. And lastly, the shrinkage, which has a formula equal to this, which has a two different methods for finding this strain here, the shrinkage strain. First is the time-dependent formula, and the second is the formula given by ACI, ASCE, Joint Committee. So again, these pre-stress losses that you can see here are time-dependent, meaning their magnitudes differ as time changes. So that's all for this meeting. Thank you for listening. For questions, clarifications, and any other concern, please do not hesitate to contact me via discussions on the Canvas. And you can also search my name on Facebook, Adam Stress Nuevo Junisha. So you can just message me on Messenger, or you can email me at arjunisha.ce@tip.edu.ph. So that's all for this meeting. Thank you for listening and have a good day.